Okay, cool. So we're starting. Hi everyone. Hope everyone had a great party yesterday and you're all feeling okay, not too hungover. For some coffee. So let's begin. For those who don't know me, I'm Gal. I'm one of the earlier backend engineers in Papaya. I've been in the company for 6 years now. I've worked on many projects from infra to features all around. And now that Bix is leaving, I'll be taking over the backend guild. So we're gonna have fun here.
Sure we do.
So let's remind ourselves again what is the guild and what is the purpose.
What is this amazing logo? Can you tell us about
Oh, sure. What a great question. So guilds is a concept that started in the Middle Ages for a community around some profession, like the blacksmithing guild or the tailoring guild. And in the recent years, in the 2012, Spotify modernized it and brought it to the tech world. And from there, it's been pretty wildly adopted in the medium and the large companies, and pretty much the same idea since the Middle Ages to have a, a common group of the same profession to discuss and maintain standards and knowledge around this profession. So. Again, what will we be doing in the guild? We'll be sharing knowledge across the teams, regardless of the position of your team in the organization or in the globe, for the Polish example. We want to discuss cross-cutting projects that are relevant for all of us. Align on standards and best practices, and we'll see all of this in the meeting today. Of course, we're including both the backend and the DevOps, which the DevOps are core capability and pillar for our success. So let's look at one recent example of collaboration in the guild. Yara recently presented infra she created and used in a few features, the feature key value. And Robert saw it in the guild meeting and quickly adopted it in his next feature, a new live op he's designing and creating. And this is exactly what we want to this is exactly what the guild is for, to share projects and features and to collaborate. Without it, maybe Robert would have to create it himself. So that's what we want to do here. Now, I know that speaking in front of people can be a little intimidating. So if you need another bit of motivational boost, let me remind you that when you're speaking, for example, in the guild, you're actually telling a story about what you did, what you want to do, and we're always telling stories, either in the work environment, like if you want to pitch an idea to your manager, or in a first date, when you talk about describe yourself, when you try and fail to win an argument with your spouse. That's a failure of storytelling. So it's a skill that we all use, and it's like every skill, it's something we can practice and improve upon. But how can we practice it? Like, for example, I can start manufacturing arguments with my wife, but I don't think it's a very good idea. Maybe I should start dating and practice on the first date, but my wife will probably not like it very much. So instead, we can use this guild as a safe space for public speaking in front of a sympathetic audience of like-minded folks. And for those like me who have a bit of an issue speaking fluently in English, for most of us it's not the mother tongue. So it's another opportunity to practice another useful skill, public English speaking. So why not? Okay. So today we'll have two main speakers, Ido and Gal Tettinger. Again, I really believe in practicing, so uh, beyond the preparation they did themselves, they also did a dry run with me to work out the kinks a little bit and to solidify the ability to practice and prepare well for everyone that wants to speak in one of the next guild meetings. You can take 1 day from your sprint as preparation that's been agreed upon. Another thing that we have in the works is we've been in touch with the Node.js IL community, the group behind the Node-TLV convention that we recently attended. And except this yearly convention, they also have a monthly meetup where they visit hosting companies, and soon they'll visit us and we'll host them, and we'll be able to promote one of us to speak in this meetup. So one of you can have the opportunity to speak to a wider audience. Which is great to promote yourself beyond Papaya, if that's something that you're interested in. Any questions till now?
מישהו קרא לי?
Any questions?
Sounds amazing, Gal.
Great. So that was my pitch, and now we're gonna go to Ido, which he will tell us about the project he's working on.
Okay, I'll just share.